Hey guys, Roby here with another Divi Engine quick tip for you using our Divi Machine plugin. And I'm going to show you today how to take this boring layout where when you click the button, it just takes you to a boring single post page and turn it into something a lot more exciting with an updatable section on the page that when you click the buttons, it updates with the relevant information. So let's go take a look on how to do that right now. So we're going to start here in the back end of our Divi site with our loop open here on the page. Now that's the loop that I used to create this simple layout for our different team members here. Now all we need to do is we're going to be working with the view post button module. Now currently we're using it to open up that single post page, but we'll just go into the settings and you'll see how easy this is right now. We scroll down and you'll see the option show post in modal update content. Flip that on. You want to tell it what post type to utilize. I am using my team members. I'm not going to use the modal pop-up. We're going to use update content, and then you tell it where do you want the content to display. Do you want it above this loop here, or do you want it at the bottom? Simple enough. We're going to put it right at the bottom here. So it's going to be below archive or carousel module. And then you just need to tell it what layout to use. And I've got my team content layout right here. Now all you do, you go ahead, you save that, you update the page, and then we'll look on the front end at how this looks. Okay, so I'm back here on the front end of my site, and I'm going to refresh the page. And there we go. We already have our first custom post here. And then when I click on the next team member, you'll see that it even conveniently scrolls down to it. But now we've got Sally O'Malley and then Andrew Matheson. This is great because it doesn't make the page reload. It's super easy to do, and it's a really great feature that you can utilize on your Divi sites with Divi Machine installed. So guys, that's how you go ahead about creating an update section on your page using the view post button module in Divi Machine. It's super easy to do. And if you guys don't know Divi Machine yet, definitely go check it out at diviengine.com and definitely subscribe to the channel and like the video to make sure that if you already are a user, you're not missing any of these awesome tips in using our plugins. So guys, this was Roby from the Divi Engine team. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.